Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and some quick test of the new RTX 3070 Ti. So here we go. Finally I got my hands on the RTX 3070 Ti from ZOTAC Gaming. This is the Trinity OC edition, as we can see here. So let's go with the unboxing. Left corner there are highlighted some of the main features. 8 GB of GDDRX, the fastest one. We have also the iStorm 2.0, which is a feature from ZOTAC. We have the Spectre 2.0, which is for managing the lights and RGB. We have the freeze tech, which is a freeze, they call it freeze fan stop. When the GPU is idle, the fans are completely stopped, so they are not going to work until the GPU is reaching 68 degrees. There is a Firestorm, which is a utility from ZOTAC that is for overclocking and for managing the fan speeds also. Ray tracing and DLSS. So on the back parts, okay, we have some other features which let me get a little bit of them here. So we have the second generation of ray tracing cores, third generation of tensor cores, PCI Express Gen 4, Microsoft DirectX 12, GDDRX, Nvidia DLSS. We have DisplayPort 1.4 and also three DisplayPort 1.4 and one HDMI. It's supporting 4K up to 120 HDR. So what we have some other pictures here. Yeah, the iStorm, and it comes with a metal backplate. So let's go with unboxing and see what is inside. So here I got my knife here. So what is the place? Okay, it's here. So I'm going to open it here. Okay, and let's check what is inside. Really nice huge box. Here we go. Heavy. So yeah, here we go, the box with the ZOTAC logo, and let's open it. Okay, we have some Get Amplified, ZOTAC Gaming, okay, some nice stuff. Even this one, I don't know if the camera is going to catch it, have some rainbow lights. Nice. So what we have here, let's check. Okay, the Get Amplified thing. Okay, some commercial subs. Okay, so let's get rid of this. Okay, the ZOTAC thing, which is not metal, is even this one is kind of rainbow stuffs. Okay, quick installation guide here. Not that much, basically nothing. Okay, what is this? Please make sure to have the, okay, frame performance. So here we go. Let's check the, let's open the box. We have this foam here, nice. And okay, what we have here? We have the adapters from what is this? Let's open it. We have the adapters from 8-pin. I know it's from 8-pin to 6, which I don't, which I'm not going to use because I think that it's better to use 2 separate connectors with 8 pins. So yeah, instead of using this one, I'm not going to use it. Honestly, I have my my PC and I'm going to use the cables that I have instead of this one, because I don't like to use I don't like to split it. I think it's not a good idea to split the power like this. So okay, we got the graphic card. So we have 3 fans from should be 90 millimeters if I remember properly. So they are spinning on the same direction, all of them. Okay, this is the PCI connector. After we are going to remove it when we are going to connect it to the computer. So we have here the display port, 3 of them, and the last one is the HDMI 2.1. This is a 2.7 slots, which is actually going to occupy 3 slots. As you can see, it's really huge. So what do we have else? We have here, okay, we have some RGB stuff, naming, nice one. We have the 2 PCI 8-pin connectors, which as I was saying before, I'm going to use, I'm not going to daisy chain them. I'm going to use, for each one of them, I'm going to use a separate cable. I prefer to do that, so instead of preventing power issues, and in my opinion, it's even the power delivered is going to be better. So we have, what is this? The fan connectors. Okay, we have, this is the aluminum heatsink here. So the back part is metal backplate, really nice. We have the GeForce RTX here, the logo, the ZOTAC logo. We have also the Live to Game here. So heatsink here. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pipes. Okay, nice one. And this is it. I'm going to install it and make it some quick tests.